Setting different color for each series in scatter plot on Matplotlib. Suppose I have 3 data sets. I can scatter plot this. How can I do this with 10 sets? I searched for this and could find any reference to what I'm asking. Edit, clarifying, hopefully, my question. If I call scatter multiple times, I can only set the same color on each scatter. Also, I know I can set a color array manually, but I'm sure there is a better way to do this. My question is then, how can I automatically scatterplot my several datasets, each with a different color? If that helps, I can easily assign a unique number to each dataset.
I don't know what you mean by manually. You can choose a color map and make a color array easily enough. Or you can make your own color cycler using itotools.cycle and specifying the colors you want to loop over, using next to get the one you want. For example, with 3 colors. Come to think of it, maybe it's cleaner not to use zip with the first one either.